Hey Trader, Spartan here for daily recap, July 14th, 2022. Let's take a look at what we did today. We came in and we were a little bit bearish out the gate, basically traded the little downtrend. I said in the pre-market exactly what I said yesterday. I thought today would be pretty much a repeat of yesterday, fill the gap. Tech would get bought back up. We just had to wait for the turn. So what did we do this morning? Well, on the equity side, we did a couple different things today. Mainly we took, Tesla out the gate. Surprise, surprise, something that I always like to trade. We took Tesla long out the gate at the 706 spot, got about 4 points and change on that one. Then we ended up taking Tesla again off the lows a couple times. First time on the bounce, got about I think it was like 9 points. Second time about another 4 or 5 points. Then we ended up rolling that into 730 calls at the end of the day here on this flag break. And of course, you got that sweep at the end of the day, which pushed those up nicely. We took some Costco long at the beginning of the day as well for 5 points. And we ended up rolling to 510 calls, as well as the 520s. We'll go over those in a little bit. CRM, we took this one short at 160 this morning. Got about a point on that one and change. mRNA short this morning at 165.50. Got about three points on that one, I believe it was. Yep. 3 points on that one to the downside, so pretty good there. GME, we're in long at 143. And ended up being about a 9-point trade on this one. Sorry, no, 8-point trade on this one in total. Nice little trade there in that regard. Crowd, we took this one long intraday, basically when it was curling off the lows right here, downtrend break, got back above the 50, may added into it, and we got a nice little pop there for about 4 points there. So nice trade as well. And then PLRX, we saw some relative strength there, and we grabbed that long when it was about the flag break, and they added into it above the flag. And we got a nice point and change on that to the upside. So all in all, pretty good on the equity side. We did do some snow short, which ended up getting about a point on that one, 142.54, a little bit of a pull there. Walmart long for about a point, and then we switched into 126 and 128 calls, which worked out nicely. We'll talk about those calls in just a second. And I believe that's it. Oh, UPST shorted that for 30 cents. I'm trying to find stuff that didn't work. DLTR made a point on that one to the upside, took it long. Kern, we made about, I think it was 30%-ish on the Kern. Basically, a lot of volume coming into it. We grabbed it at 19 cents. Oh, sorry, not 30%, like 20-something%, I guess. Decent little trade there. And then lastly, we took some pets long. That one didn't end up working. And then TH long, which we ended up exiting that one flat. And KSPN, which we ended up getting stopped out of this one. We took it on the flag, didn't end up flag breaking. Kind of got rejected there and sold off. But all in all, really good day on the equity side. Options was a different story, way better. We kind of killed it on the options. We loaded up on a lot of these lotto calls on the semiconductors this morning. They looked good on the daily. There was some nice relative strength. That TSM obviously got it up. We grabbed it on the dip. I thought it was an absolute gift this morning. We grabbed the 83 calls. Those ended up working quite nicely on that TSM. So happy with that. Sorry, guys. Again, a little bit of a cough here. But the best trades of the day. So we took NVAX puts. We actually chased the 60 puts. I was looking for $57 and then down into the 51 area. Got 487% on those. We ended up rolling it into the NVAX 50 calls for 320%. We had the Qualcomm 140 calls for 414%. The Costco 510s for 300%. On those, and the 520 calls for over 100%. Walmart, we took the 126 calls for 264%. So nice trade on that one. We had Apple 147 calls out the gate this morning for 180% as well. End of the day there. SPY, we had the 480 calls, and those ended up going up. I think it was 200%. Let me just take a look at that one. There's a lot of options we did today. Yep. 200 and... Let's do the math real quick. $281% on the SPY. So pretty good there. TSM 83 calls, 230%. Walmart 126s, 264%. The 128's 100%. And that's pretty much it. We kind of, just hit a whole bunch of different stuff. Oh, Lilly calls for over 100%, the 230s. UNH for about 30%. Like I said, we had that Tesla on. And yeah, all in all, Microsoft 255 calls, 100% on that. All in all, really nice day on the option side. Only trade that didn't work was a CVX this morning. We tried to grab some calls that ended up failing. But all in all, really good day on the option side. Great hit rate. And yeah, we'll have to wait and see what happens tomorrow. It is option X, guys. Market is positioned to move higher into it. I think tech may come in a little bit tomorrow. Watch the mega caps. I think those will still hold up. So I'm thinking lower quality tech comes in. Mega caps hold up. And yeah, I'll kind of just see what's what after that. Anyways, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. You want to join us, you can go to SpartanTrading.com, sign up there. Link is in the description for the website, as well as there should be some promo codes there as well. If you guys want to join the free Discord, the link is also in the description. You can pop in, see what we're all about. Give us a little bit of a test drive. Of course, you don't have access to the alert section, but you get a really good sense of the community, kind of how it works and stuff like that. Anywho, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Lotto Friday tomorrow. Expected to be a very busy day. Some great opportunities into OpEx, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Any questions, you can reach out, SpartanTrading.com. Have a good one.